A very good morning to all of you. Today, students, we will do two word problem of exercise 1.2, which one left last time. And after that, we do exercise 1.3. Clear? So, let's start with it. So, question number 11 is the distance between school and house of a student house. And every day that girl walks both the way. Firstly, from school to home and then home to school, but the distance is same. So what you do, you will find out the total distance she covered in one day, because in one day she covered both the ways. So how you do, you will plus them. 1 kilometer 875 meter you have to plus with same number again, and then you get total distance covered in one day. The distance covered in one day will be 3 kilometers 750 meter. Clear? You can write in that manner also, in this manner also, both the ways are correct. Then they said you have to find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. One day distance is 3.750 kilometer. In 6 days, how much distance she will cover? When you move from one to many, what do you do? Multiply. So you multiply them, you will get 22.500 kilometer. Clear? So the distance covered in 6 days will be 22 kilometer 500 meter. Clear? Now question number 12. Question number 12 is a vessel has 4 liter 500 milliliter of curd. Means in the vessel curd is 4 liter 500 milliliter. You have to tell how many glasses can be filled. If the capacity of a glass is 25 ml, it means that capacity of glass is 25 ml means milliliter given. So it means you have to convert this liter into milliliter first. So firstly you write capacity of curd in a vessel is equals to 4 liter 500 milliliter. Then 4 into 1000. Why so? Because 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. Then 4 into 1000 plus 500, answer will come 4500 milliliter. Then capacity of one glass is 25 milliliter. What you have to find? How many glasses? So you write number of glasses can be filled is equals to 4500 milliliter divided by 25 milliliter. When you divide it, your answer comes 180. So 180 glasses can be filled. Clear? Like this manner you have to do in your maths copy. Now students, we will do exercise 1.3. Here you have to do estimate. Estimate means round off. You have done in the previous class also that when you round off the number to nearest tens, then you have to see the ones place. Means you compare the ones place with 5. If the number is less than 5, then you do no change in tens place. If the number is 5 or more than 5, you have to do plus 1. Similarly, in 100 place, what you see? Tens place digit. The rule is same. In 1000 place, you have to see the 100 place. You have done round off to nearest tens, 100,000 in this exercise. Whatever you have done in previous class, same thing we do. They said estimate each of the following using general rule. General rule means we will do, if there are 1 digit given, then we use 1 or 2 digit given, then we use tens place. Round off to nearest tens. If there are 3 digit given, then we do to nearest 100, and when they are given more than 3, we use nearest 1000. Clear? So let's start with the first one. I will do A, B, C, D parts, and they said make 10 more example of addition, subtraction and estimate of their outcome. That one you will do by yourself. So let's start with the A part. 730 plus 998. There is a 3 numbers given. So you have to round off to nearest 100. In nearest 100, which place you have to see? 3. Mean tens place. Tens place is 3. 3 is less than 5. So 7 will change? No. 7 will remain as it is. And after that, all the digits become 0, 0. Now 998. Which number you will see? Tens place. It is 9. So 9 is greater than 5. So this 9 will becomes 10. So in place of that 10 come and other number, tens place and ones place become 0, 0. And now they said ST plus sign is given. So it means what do you do? Plus. So plus them, answer come 1700. Clear? Now B part 796. 796 means you have to round off which place? 100 place. So when you round off, you have to write like this manner in the copy also. 800 because 9 is greater than 5. So 7 becomes 8. Now here again you see tens place. It is 1. 1 is smaller than 5. What do you do? 3 will remain 3 as it is. Minus them. Answer come 500 because here you have to do minus. Clear? So estimate difference will be 500. Now in C part, here are digit more than 3. So what do? Nearest to 1000. In 1000 round off, which number you have to see? 100 place. 100 place is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So this 2 will become 3. So you write 13. After that you put 3 zeros. And here also 28. Which place you have to see? 100 place. It is 8. So it becomes 3000. Why so? Because 8 is greater. What do you have to do? Plus them. Answer comes 16,000. Understood? Now in D part, which place you have to see? 1000 place. So for this you compare the 100 place. It is 2. So 2 is smaller than 5. So 8 remain 8 and rest all the numbers become 0. Here 100 place 4 less than 5. So 1 will remain 1 as it is. Minus them. What answer come? Answer comes 7,000. Understood? Now we do question number 2. Question number 2, you have to do rough estimate by rounding off to nearest 100. In nearest 100, if the number are greater than 2 digits, then you have to do nearest 100. Otherwise, round off to nearest tens. Clear? So let's start with the A part. 439. Here there are 3 digits. So we see tens place, it is 3. Here is also 3. It means in both the cases digit will not change. So 4 will remain 4. 3 will remain 3. And here we do round off to nearest 100. So we will see tens place only. So this 3 also remain as it is. You have to plus them and the answer will come 5,000. Clear? In B part you have to do which place? 100 place only because it is written there. When it is written you have to do 100 place only. Now tens place number is 3. So this 3 is smaller than 5. So what do? You will not change 100 place number. So 7 will remain 7. So you write 108 as it is and 7 also. And after that all the numbers become 0, 0. Clear? Now 47599. Which number you see? Tens place number. And tens place number is 9. It is greater than 5. So this 5 will become 6. So you write 4, 7, 6. And after that all the numbers become. Now we have to minus them. And when you minus it, your answer comes 61100. Clear? Now we do C part. In C part also what we do? We have to see the tens place only and the tens place is 2. 2 is smaller than 5. So what do? You will change the 100 place or not? You will not change 100 place. It will remain as it is. So you write 8300 as it is. And in second number which place you have to see? You have to see tens place only. Tens place is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So this 4 will become 5. So you write in place of 4 5 and after that all the numbers become 0 0. And what we have to do here? Minus. So minus them. So your answer will come 7800. Clear? Now D part. Here also you see the number is given 4,89,348 and from this number you have to minus 48,365. But you have to firstly do round off. Firstly in this number you have to round off which place? 100 place, and for that you have to see the tens place number. Tens place number is smaller. So what do? You will not do any change. So you will write 4893 as it is and after 3 all the numbers become 0 0. In 48365 which place you have to see? Tens place. It is 6. 6 is greater than 5. So this 3 will become 4. So you write 48400. So minus them and when you minus it, your answer comes 440,900. Clear? Now we do question 3. In question 3, you have to estimate the following product using general rule. General rule means whatever you have done in question 1, same like that you do. But in question 1, you have done plus and minus, but in this question, you have to do multiply only. And they said make more example. That one you have to do by yourself. A part is 578 round off 2. Here general rule you have to use. When there are 3-digit number, you have to see the tens place. Tens place is 7. So this 5 will become 6 because 7 is greater than 5. So you write 600. Here also you see the tens place. It is 6. 6 is greater than 5. So this one becomes 200. Clear? Now what you have to do? Multiply them. Now see how many digit 0 both the number is having. It is having 2, it is having 2. So add them, it becomes 4. So you put 4 zeros here and only multiply these two numbers, means 6 2s are 12. Like this manner you can also do multiplication. Clear? Now B part, here you will see that there are 4 digits. So it means you have to do round off to nearest 1000. So nearest 1000 you see the 100 place, that is 2. So 2 is smaller, so 5000 will come. Clear? Now in this question you see 100 place, that is 4. 4 is also smaller, so this 3 will come as it is, and after that all numbers become 0 0. Now you have to multiply it. How to multiply? Firstly count the zeros. How many 0 it is having? It is having 6 zeros. So you put 6 zeros here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 5 3s are 15. So you write here 15 here. Clear? Now we do C part. Here you will see which number? Tens place number you can see, or ones place also you can see. When you see the number here 1291, you can round off to nearest 1000. In nearest 1000, which place you see? 100 place. It is 2. 2 is smaller, so what you do? You write 1 as it is. And now this you see 9. 9 is in the tens place, so it is greater than 5. So this 5 becomes 6. So after this you count the digit, it becomes 1 2 3 4 5. 5 zeros come and 6 ones are 6. Clear? In general rule you can do nearest 1000 also, nearest 100 also, because they have not mentioned. So you can do any one method which is easiest for you. Now in D part you have to see tens place. So your ones, tens, 100. 100 place is 2. So 2 is smaller than 5. So you write 9000 as it is into. In this tens place you will see ones place. It is 9. 9 is greater than. So you make 2 3. So now you count the zeros. There are 4 zeros and 9 3s are 27. Clear? So I hope you understand today's lecture. We have done estimation. When there is written general rule, so it means that you can do according to your will. Means if you can do nearest to 1000 also, nearest 100 also, nearest 10 also. But when it is mentioned, you have to do according to that. So I hope you understand today's lecture. Thank you students, and have a nice day.